Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all the Django commands that you need. So I have a blog post. In here, I included all the Django commands that you will need. So please sure to check it out. I'm going to include this URL in the video description. So you can go here and see these Python Django commands. In previous tutorial I forgot to mention this. That's why I create this new video and let you know. Okay, if you want to, you can also go to this website as like this techvista.com and go to this blog. In here you can click this and you can see all the Django commands. Okay, I think this is helpful. So thank you guys.